Einhell, the German company with a wide range of power tools, and now they've brought out an absolutely superb hammer drill. This drill has got a 1010 watt motor, so it's really powerful. Nice features, it's got a nice metal depth gauge there. You can just slacken the super wide handle off, slide it along to whatever depth you want, lock it back up again. It's got a keyless chuck, so there's no losing of chuck keys anymore. Open it up, just at the twist of a handle, and then just twist it at the end there to lock it in. It does drilling and it does hammer drilling, easily selected by the top button. So you've got a drill icon, and that's on drill mode. On the other side here, you've got a hammer icon just there. Slide the switch across when you want to do hammer drilling, which is masonry drilling into walls, brickwork, concrete, etc. Normally, it would be on drilling for most other applications such as wood or screwdriving. Another nice feature with this machine, it's got a biomaterial grip. So these black zones are rubberised, so whether you're holding it like that or you're holding it in a traditional pistol shape, it's nice and comfortable. And it's a nice safety benefit as well, because it means you've got more control during use. You've got a little forward reverse slider there, and there's a little dial on the trigger there, which you might be able to see. That's your variable speed. Okay. Now what that gives you, in some materials you want to go very fast, so I've dialed it clockwise all the way to the end, and then that's nice and fast. In other materials, if you're drilling plastics or even if you're doing a screwdriving application, you want a very slow speed, so you do it anti-clockwise. Again, you've got control in the material that you're drilling. Forward, click it through, reverse. That's packed with features and benefits. It's a nice, well-balanced machine. It's light, so everyone can use it. But as I say, it's got a 1010 watt motor, so it is a powerful machine as well. Big, strong front grip, so you've got full control when you're using it. And it sees the variable speed, starts up nice and slowly, it doesn't jolt. With this machine, got a special offer we're doing at the moment. This comes with a 50-piece accessory kit. Just flap that out there. Look at that lot. So what you've got in this kit is everything you should ever need in the house to cover out any chore or job or task at hand. So you've got a selection of masonry drills, you've got a selection of high-speed steel drills there. These are titanium coated, which reduces the heat and the friction, so they're more efficient. These are for drilling metals and wood. And you've got some specialist wood drills there as well. If you're doing any finished work, if you've got to drill a hole for a cable in laminate flooring or solid wood flooring, the little spurs on the side there give you a nice clean cut. It's also got a selection of screwdriver bits. You've got most of the things you'd ever come across there. You've got your standard cross Phillips tips, you've got Torx tips, you've got posi drive tips, which most of the screws are nowadays, traditional slotted tips there, which are for things like hinges, and you've also got some more specialist ones there. You've got the Star Torx and you've got the hexagon ones as well, and there's a neat little screwdriver bit holder in there as well. So we can do drilling, hammer drilling and screwdriving. So we'll just show you all three applications now. Click it across so we're in forward mode, and let's just have a look at this. We'll just go through this piece of wood here. You could use one of the high-speed bits in there as well, but we've got a nice piece of wood there, so we'll just nice clean hole, all done. So that's normal drilling. Okay, bit of hammer drilling. I'll get a brick. I'm just going to put some goggles on. It's always best to use goggles if you're hammer drilling, and away we go. You can hear the hammer kick in, that's the motor driving and hammering it. And again, don't overforce it, always let the drill do the work. As long as you just hold it firm, the drill and the drill bit will do the work for you. That took no time at all. You wouldn't usually use a big drill like this for screwdriving. It can do it, but it's more of specialist applications. So if you're putting a lot of large fixings in, like 4-inch screws or frame fixings, or if you're going to do some outside stuff on your decking, on the support beams, anything like that, where they're going to be in tight and it's going to be a big draw for a cordless machine, then this would get you out of trouble in that application. So what you do if you're going to use this as a screwdriver, click it to the drill mode, turn it anti-clockwise so it's nice and slow. We're going to, yeah, there's a screw in there. It's going to be in there tight, and you're going to need a bit of extra grunt to get rid of it or undo it or to do it up. So we're going to, this might not work, but we're going to see if it does. Right, let's try and always clean the screw head out as much as you can first. So in we go, just pulse it. Yeah, that's going to go. Here it comes. And you can hear that that's putting a lot of stress on the motor. That's where a big 1000-watt motor has a benefit, because if you've got a load of fixings like that to do, it might be an old refurb job, something like that, then it's going to be a big drain on a normal cordless drill. I mean, cordless drills are excellent nowadays. To put it back in again, switch the forward reverse across, just pulse it, and there we go. So there's no torque on that, but just by pulsing it, you can feel it's tight and you're done. The Einhell 1010-watt hammer drill, drilling, hammer drilling and screwdriving with a 50-piece accessory kit, everything you need in one.